Hey guys, just jumped in the creek. Water's still extremely cold. Glad I put my wool socks on this morning. It's going to be 74 at some point today, so looking forward to that. It's still a little chilly right now. Hoping to get into some pre-spawn smallmouth here. We should definitely be on a great pre-spawn bite right now. This is my first time hitting the creek up. It's early April. Let's see what we can get here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this water is very clear, very low right now. So we may not have any luck in this particular spot. We might need to move up and find some faster flowing water. There we go, there's a bite. There he is. First fish of the day. Here we go. Oh, and it feels like a good one. Yes. That's alright. It's a typical smallmouth for this creek. Alright, there we go. Look at that. First fish of the day. Let's see. Little smallmouth, little hungry guy. These guys, oh, we catch a million of these out here. So small, but we catch some nice ones out here too. Not what I'm actually here for. I mean, I'll take these all day, don't get me wrong, but there's some big ones in here, and we're going to get after them today, I have a feeling. Boom. That's the cast right there. Here we go. Get ready. There it is. Oh, it's a good one, guys. Oh, this is a good one. No doubt about it. Oh, yeah, look at that rod. I hope you can see the rod tip. This is a fat smallmouth. Oh, yeah. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Woo! You see that? Look at that. Beautiful. Take some mustard out of her. All right, here we go, here we go. Look at this. Oh, nice. Oh, guys, just looking at this fish, I can tell you for sure, we are definitely on the pre-spawn pattern. Wait till you see how fat this fish is. There we go. We definitely catch them bigger out here, but this is a nice one. Nice and fat. Boy, do they fight hard out here. They get in that current. They do not want to give up. I'm telling you. Can you see that belly? Look at that belly. Boom. Definitely in a pre-spawn pattern. You can tell she's not all marked up yet. Nice fat belly. All right, let's get her back in the water. There he is. Boom. First cast in this hole. Feels like a decent one too. Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah, putting up the fight. Oh yeah, it's a nice fish, guys. Whew, look at that. She spun me all the way down the creek. She got out in that current. All right. Ooh, nice and dark. Oh yeah, nice fat smallmouth. Oh my God, look at this fish. Whew. If that's not a pre-spawn smallmouth, I don't know what is. All right, there we go. Look at that fish. Look how dark that fish is. Look how fat. Look at the back hump on this fish. Can you see that? Oh my God. Football for sure. Look at the belly on this fish. Whew. Probably in a week, 2 weeks at the most, these fish will be spawning. They will be so hard to catch then. I don't like to come out here during a spawn anyways. I don't want to mess with them while they're on their beds. Beautiful fish. Let's go. Let's get her in the water. Got some very angry geese in front of me. They are yelling at me. Probably got a nest going on alongside the bank here, and they are letting me know about it. Alright, you guys, here we go. We are at the third spot of the day today. This hole is usually really good to me, so let's see if we can keep this momentum going and catch some more pre-spawn smallmouth. There we go. Oh, yes. Oh, we are into a good one here. Nice. Here we go, here we go. All right, all right, all right. Nice, nice, nice. Look at this fish. Whew. Just hooked my finger, but that's all right. Part of fishing. There we go, look at that. Fourth fish of the day. Turning out to be a pretty good day here. Third stop, fourth fish, we will take it. Let's get another cast into this hole because I have a feeling that there's more sitting in there. There we go, we are hooked up. Oh, and it is a giant. This is probably the biggest fish of the day so far. Whew. Here we go, here we go. Oh my goodness. Creek action, let's go. Look at that fish. There you go, here she goes. Alright guys, I want to share the whole adventure with you when I'm out here. So I'm walking along and I find this deer hoof. Thought that was pretty neat, so I wanted to share it with you guys. And also check this out. All over the ground here, there's all kinds of these freshwater mussels, freshwater clams, I'm not 100% sure. Shells are everywhere. It's loaded here. And that's awesome. That's a good sign whenever you got macroinvertebrates that are growing in your water systems. That means the water's doing pretty good. So good to see these guys. Alright guys, check this out. Just found this jawbone of a deer. Still got the teeth in it. Thought that was pretty cool. I'm actually pretty close to where I just found that hoof, so I'm guessing it belonged to that guy. Rest in peace, poor deer. Put you back where I found you. Here you go guys. Check this guy out. I was walking along and he jumped in. So I figured I'll try to scoop him, and I lucked out. He didn't move much. He's still very cold. They're just coming out for the spring. So he ain't got a lot of life in him right now, but once they thaw out, they're going to start laying tadpoles soon here any day. More frogs to come. There we go, fish on guys. Alright. Feels like a decent one. Nah, it's alright. There we go. right. I've actually been catching a lot this size today, but I'm not going to put them all in the video just to keep the video to a good watchable length. So there you go, a lot of these guys today, but I'm going to put all the bigger ones in the video for you to enjoy. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and watching the video. Smallmouth creek fishing is my absolute favorite fishing to do. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification button so you can see every video that I put out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I like to share the entire experience when I'm out there with you, even the little crazy things like finding a deer hoof or a jawbone or whatever else I might find along the way. Lots of cool things happen along the creek, so I want to bring it all to you. Thanks for stopping by. That's going to do it for this video today.